what's been beautiful, glorious, what's the word?
I don't know where you're going with it. Coincidence? Yeah?
I'm doing really well on my vocabulary today. Now, no. But I just think that's brilliant because
people think you're a professional.
Yeah. You are a workaholic.
Yeah, it's bad. I kind of, you know, you should be able to cook a meal without going, oh no, I should be doing something else. Because actually, human beings don't need to do much, really, other than eat and sleep.
See, that's the thing, is I've combined work with one of those two things. So
yeah.
I just eat my way through my job.
You're my hero.
Now, one of my absolute food heroes, Raymond Blanc.
Oh, is he like your hall pass?
Raymond Blanc?
Yeah.
I'll go there.
Great.
No, my hall pass at the moment, I say at the moment because it's a new discovery, Aaron Paul.
Aaron, what from, what, has he been a new discovery? Have you just started watching Breaking Bad?
Just finished Breaking Bad.
Oh my God.
I know that I'm 8 years too late.
How is that for you? Because I mean, I remember that moment. Are you on the come down?
Yeah. Oh.
Excellent TV. That's a bit of
warmth.
Oh.
I had a friend, she had braces and she used to bite on tinfoil for kicks.
Oh, I wonder what she's doing now.
Because your apples are going to be lovely and, well, they've got a lot of moisture in, as do the blackberries. So you can just let the natural juices kind of sort themselves out. But if you like a particularly saucy, soppy...
I've really enjoyed everything you just said. Talking about moisture and juices flowing and a soppy mixture, it's really got my juices flowing.
What should I say now?
No, I was really loving it. I was going into sort of like, yeah, come on, keep.
Juices. I'll just play some Stevie Wonder in the background. Yeah. And when you tip the crumble on, let it fall down into... I was going to say let it fall down into the crevices,
yeah,
but now
great.
It feels like it's got a different meaning.
Sorry that I ruined cooking for you.
You're a really interesting person to talk to.
Really?
Yeah, definitely.
I feel like I've just been talking about Breaking Bad mostly.
Well, that's my interest ticked off there.
Creamy today.
Yeah, straight from the cow's breast.
We make a good team, don't we?
There we go, there we go. I mean, I'll be honest with you, Jim.
Yep.
You know how you said to me that looks like an awfully thick cookie dough?
Yeah. Good, my video's going to be great, everyone. I can hear it sizzling.
It's not going to photograph well,
but how would you have done it? Would you do like a schmear?
A schmear?
A schmear. Was that what you'd have done?
Yeah, I'd do something a little bit.
Would you? So I've
like
kind of ruined.
Of course I wouldn't. No, that's exactly how I'll do it.
Okay, good.
Yeah, we're eating this one anyway. I'll make it pretty for the picture. High five!
Well done, mate. That is great.
It's going to be fine.
Might want to preheat your oven first.
Preheat your oven. Yeah, and actually custard can hit 2 spectrums, so a whole spectrum. You can't get 2 spectrums, can you?
Well, you can, but they'll be very different things.
Yeah. Custard spreads across...
A dollopy custard,
yeah,
you know?
Yeah,
okay, great.
Definitely. So
hopefully
like
you'll find that. Isn't it?
2, some might say. Are you ready to lose that top film of your mouth? Are you just like...
I mean, I imagine it's delicious, but we're going to find out by giving ourselves 3rd-degree burns.
Dear God, please blow on it.